Hey y'all, thank you for clicking on this video. So I completely forgot to do an intro and outro to this video. So I'm gonna go on ahead and do that now. But if you're new here, my name is Keela Shashan and I make videos on lifestyle, womanhood, and mental health. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for your support. So today I'm doing something a little bit different and I'm just kind of filming my Sunday. I clean the kitchen a couple times a day. So it's kind of like a clean with me. Not really a cook with me because my husband did the cooking that day, but I do show you what we ate and just kind of like my little routine for winding down on Sunday. So I'm not going to be doing any talking. It's just going to be music. So definitely enjoy. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you have not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell. Now enjoy, and I'll see you at the end.
You in the past, I'm in the future. You mad?
I do hope that you enjoyed that little kind of like clean the kitchen with me, should I say. I do plan on doing more of these, and then also you'll see me cooking. I typically do most of the cooking on Sundays, but my husband decided that he was gonna make us food, and we had company, and you know, I always like to reset the day to get myself ready for the work week. So again, if you enjoyed, go on ahead and click that like button, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I will see you in my next video.
Mad, they don't salute you. I need a bag, size is super. They turned your back, it's like I never knew you. Leave that,